Hello everyone! If you are looking for a luxury sedan that is currently shaking up the internet and social media, you absolutely cannot miss the 2027 Audi A5 Sedan. This isn't just a regular model refresh, it is a complete revolution from Audi. What is trending and heavily discussed online is Audi's major decision to restructure its naming strategy. The company announced that all internal combustion engine models, or ICEs, will now use odd numbers, while fully electric models, EVs, will use even numbers. This means the iconic Audi A4, which dominated the luxury market for over 30 years, is officially discontinued. It is now replaced by this stunning next-generation Audi A5 Sedan. This big news has sent shockwaves through the automotive world. Just look at these actual photos. The car shown is finished in a premium matte black, giving it an incredibly aggressive, athletic, and commanding presence. The exterior design has been completely overhauled, utilizing Audi's brand new PPC, Premium Platform Combustion architecture. The front fascia features a wider single-frame grille, complemented by blacked-out Audi rings that look incredibly modern. The biggest highlight trending online is the advanced lighting system, sharp front LEDs, and digital OLED taillights at the back. The rear light bar stretches beautifully across the trunk, offering 8 customizable digital light signatures and the ability to display communication symbols to warn drivers behind you of potential hazards. Furthermore, while it is called a sedan, the silhouette adopts a sleek, sloping Sportback roofline. The rear trunk lifts up entirely with the glass window, functioning as a practical liftback. It's the perfect blend of a gorgeous coupe silhouette and the everyday utility of a hatchback. Stepping inside, you will feel like you are sitting in a futuristic spaceship. Audi has integrated its latest E3 1.2 electronic architecture, creating a massive dual-screen layout called the digital stage. Right in front of the driver is an 11.9-inch Audi virtual cockpit, seamlessly joined with a 14.5-inch curved MMI touch display. What's making big waves on social media is the optional third 10.9-inch front passenger display. This allows the passenger to watch videos or manage navigation without distracting the driver. The sporty, flat-bottom steering wheel and customizable ambient interior lighting complete this high-tech cockpit. Opening the hood, the 2027 Audi A5 is powered by an updated 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder EA888 Gen 5. It pumps out an impressive 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent through a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. It can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 5.9 seconds. In several global markets, it features the MHEV Plus, or mild hybrid technology, which improves fuel efficiency and provides smooth electric assistance. The suspension and steering have been sharpened, making the car much more agile and dynamic than the old model. The ultimate question: how much does it cost, and is it worth it? The 2027 Audi A5 Sedan starts at approximately $50,200 on the international market, excluding local import taxes, and can go up over $65,000 for fully loaded trims. As for whether it's worth the money, the answer is a resounding yes, absolutely. Here's why. 1. You get Audi's absolute latest platform and futuristic tech that won't feel outdated for the next decade. 2. Features like the digital OLED taillights and the triple-screen dashboard are things its direct competitors, like the BMW 3 Series or Mercedes C-Class, don't offer in this configuration yet. 3. The utility of the Sportback liftback setup makes it far more functional for daily use than a standard traditional sedan. Who exactly is this car tailored for? Young professionals and entrepreneurs who love a sporty, aggressive, and highly modern look that projects success, style, and individuality. Tech enthusiasts, the 3-screen layout, highly responsive voice commands, and customizable lights will satisfy anyone obsessed with cutting-edge gadgetry. small families seeking versatility. It offers executive-level luxury combined with a highly practical cargo space for weekend getaways. In conclusion, the 2027 Audi A5 Sedan is a triumph of evolution. It replaces the conservative nature of the old A4 with excitement, tech, and sheer aggression. What do you think about this car? Do you love this sinister matte black look? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and see you in the next video.